So if you watched my last video, I'm going to be doing this alongside with it, but I wanted to make a separate video by itself for this pop lock. So here's the part number if you see it. It is for a GMT 400 chassis, so the 88 to 98 Silverado Sierras, and this is so they don't steal your stuff. Specifically your tailgate, or in this case tailgate and taillights. I mainly got it for the taillights if I'm being honest. As you'll see in the last video, they're clear taillights. They're kind of hard to find and expensive if you find them. So yeah, just a quick unboxing, what's everything included. Obviously the lock, along with all the tools needed. I actually installed a pop lock on my crew cab, the Cat Eye, and yeah, just a peace of mind thing too. Same thing, I wanted to keep the taillights safe because I know out here they be jacking them things, and it's super annoying when they do. It'll ruin your day, and I don't want to be that person waking up without taillights. So this shows you, if you want to scan here, installation video and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and do the installation myself. It's very self-explanatory. Legit, all you're gonna be doing, you're just gonna be taking off, well, I'll show you too, but I'll just reiterate it. You're gonna be taking off one bolt from the back of the tailgate that holds in the pull handle. Then it comes with its own set of keys as well, so you can unlock the tailgate. But yeah, this should be a super simple, easy video. So let's go ahead and take out outside and get this thing installed. So this is where it's gonna go. Go up there. Obviously I gotta pull the handle and all that to install it. Put that back here. There she goes. Mine's a little bit different because it has a bed liner plastic thing installed from the factory, or whoever did this conversion, because this is a conversion truck. But yeah, I gotta unscrew these, and then I'll show y'all whenever I get the bolt showing, and I'll unscrew the bolt. If I have the right ones. I've actually never seen the condition of this tailgate from the back. I'm kind of convinced that it was installed and never taken off, so the paint might actually be good under here. Which would be kind of cool. Alright, so I'm gonna go get, it's a Torx bit. I'm gonna see. So I'm gonna go figure out which Torx bit I need. So my tailgate specifically, I know some of them might be like 13 millimeters, but mine is a T40. Yeah, I can't really see that, but it's a T40. We're gonna do this bottom one. I'm gonna end up saving the bolt just in case I ever need it in the future. I gotta remove the trim bezel here. Mine's really kind of broken. They just slide this thing off. I didn't know it was that messed up. So then this piece slide over here. It's gonna look like this somewhat. Go ahead and get this installed really quickly. washers on there too. Yes, sir. Alright. Change of plans. You put the trim bezel on, or you can leave it on, and then you can install it from the back, and it still works perfectly fine. It's kind of ugly, not gonna lie. That's all I care about. Alright, so I'm going to put everything back, which is just literally that plastic liner. And the good thing about that liner is that it's tailgate locked. You can't unscrew those screws. So even though I don't have a bed cover or anything like that, they can't like unscrew it if they try to steal it. Unless they're willing to get a whole ass grinder and start cutting. Which, I mean, if you're going that far, bro, get a job. You don't need to do all that, man. Buy your own damn tail lights and tailgates. Missing screw. I hate missing screws so freaking much. I hate it so much, dude. Especially if it's not like the original screws. I'm driving slow as hell. That's hot. Shout out to Theo for sponsoring the screwdrivers. He's gonna throw them away on my table. Love it. Man, he put some WD-40 on this boy. Alright. Watch me lose. Hopefully that fan's not loud, but I'm gonna wrap up this video. Super easy. However long this video was, probably would have taken half the time or less because I had to unscrew my bed liner and I had to film all this stuff. So if you can, please check out the LED conversion on the OBS and the tail lights so you can see which ones are going on and why I'm so adamant about getting this lock for them. I've waited until I got the lock before I even installed this tail light. So check that one out if you're interested in doing an LED conversion on your OBS. I'm doing the front turn signals, the complete full tail lights with the regular bulbs, license plate, and the corner side markers. I also have new side markers coming for the truck. They're coming in, I'm pretty sure by the end of this month. Hopefully today, the LED strip comes in for the cluster. I'm trying to do an RGB cluster on that thing. My God, it's such a pain. Can't figure out which LED strip I need. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully if the LED strips comes in and the LED bulbs I ordered for the cluster come in, then I will try and film that today, but I'm not too sure. That might be a tomorrow thing. That's gonna wrap it up. Check out the videos, like, subscribe. Peace!